got Chipotle chicken thighs.
You would think we would do hot dogs and burgers on 4th of July, but we're doing chicken. That looks yummy. Delish. Some corn.
Alright.
Okay, and I'll let her go get her phone so we can tell you what she set it to.
See, it was smoker.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go.
It's frozen.
Oh,
Marinated.
there we go.
And what's the medium? Is it grill? Okay.
Yeah.
This says 30 minutes.
It's having issues.
That's good. Doesn't like that. Let's do this.
It wouldn't do it.
That's fine. $30 minutes.
Do you have to hit start or?
It's already started.
Oh, there it goes.
Got to preheat. Okay, I guess we was gonna smoke the chicken.
We hit the wrong thing.
And now we're gonna grill.
This is real life.
Real life. Now, why is that the same 30 minutes, the same time as the frozen?
And why is it not already preheated?
Okay. Okay, we're gonna switch the time too. I'm gonna go down to like 10. Cause let's go to 12. I want to check them. Oh, this is, we gotta get this fixed. We need to be able to adjust this stuff. This is getting ridiculous. 30 minutes on a grill for 30 minutes. Flip it at 15. It would be charcoal. All right. We will get back with you when we're gonna flip them.
Because a fly that's wanting our food.
Stay away, fly. Stay away. Now that'll be good.
Smells good.
My glasses just fogged up.
Uh-oh. All right. Check the temperature. I think it's already done. Yeah, more than already done.
All right, good.
All right, they are done based on the temperature.
Yeah, we should have put them on low. Yeah, those charts, you gotta watch these charts.
Mm-hmm. Hit the wrong thing like I did.
Wow, those look delicious. Awesome.
The sun came out at the perfect time.
All right, we're gonna enjoy 4th of July.
Yeah.
Saucy wants some.
Yeah, she's like, give me one of those little pieces.
All right, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, hit the bell.
See you on the next review. Bye.
Bye.